Alright guys, from Friday afternoon's possible tornado, this is exactly the area that got hit here in Amelia County. This right here is damage from the tornado. It cut right across here, toppled all these trees, knocked down trees down there. I'm right off of Route 360, this is Whole Street right here. Incredible how this tree here was thrown from right over there. All of this. And here's more. More possible tornado damage. This tree withstood it, surprisingly. Over here, these were knocked down. This one was able to take all that. And this one here, knocked down as well. Now this is the actual path that it actually took. You could tell by the grass. Right through here. This is it. This is where the tornado came through. EF0. Snapped off trees over here. Look at that. Unbelievable. Totally ripped these off. Incredible. There's definitely tornado damage right here. This is insane. And apparently across this road right here, these are the treetops right here. And apparently this tornado came through, went over here. Apparently it came through from over here. 360 being right down there. It did a total number here. Luckily it looks like the houses are intact. That's good news. Yeah, but this is the storm that we were watching with that tornado warning here. This is definitely the storm here that had a capability of producing a tornado. Look like this area got hit before, many times. Still got old damage there. Yeah, that's unbelievable right here. Wow. This was definitely a storm for the month. Yet another tornado outbreak. Get this, 3-day tornado outbreak is possible here. So this is only the start of what is to come. Friday was just one of many days that we'll be getting severe weather. See, knock down that tree way down there. Wow, here we go again. This could have either been straight line winds or the tornado here. I'm now thinking this is more straight line wind. Wow. Just an absolute mess back here. Total devastation. Looks like a war zone here. Wow. There's a path. Yeah, this could have been it right here. This is insane. This is it. This looks to be that area there. We had the most damage here.